If troubles have started knocking in your life, you cannot understand what to do next in your life. Darkness is visible all around in your life. Your negativity is dominating you, anxiety and depression victimize you. So listen to this positive affirmation for 21 days whenever you get time, morning or evening. But here two questions must be arise in your mind. Why should we read this affirmation only for 21 days? And the second question is, what is going to happen with the affirmation? So in this video, let us first know about what is affirmation, then about 21 by 90 rule, and in the end, we know about the positive affirmation. So let's start. Affirmation is not new to us. It is just like the lesson that we used to remember in our childhood, so that we can write the solution to the question coming in the exam. Similarly, when trouble start coming into our life, so many type of negative thoughts keep flying in front of us in the form of questions, and our positive affirmation give its answer, because repeating many positive things again and again through positive affirmation sit in our subconscious mind. So whenever any negative thoughts or question arise in our mind, our mind answer it. In simple word, positive affirmation empty your mind of negative thoughts and fill them with positive thoughts. Second, I told you to repeat this affirmation again and again for 21 days, because the 21 by 90 rule is scientifically proven. This means it only takes 21 days to form a new habit and 90 days to make it a part of your lifestyle. The 21 by 90 formula was born in 1960s when a cosmetic surgeon named Dr. Maxwell Maltz wrote a self-help book called Psycho-Cybernetic, a new way to get more living out of life. In this book, he suggested that it only takes 21 days of practice for one of our old mental image to dissolve and a new one to form. It has also been confirmed in a study conducted by University of London that any habit become a part of our lifestyle in 90 days. So let's start with the positive affirmation after knowing about what affirmation done in your life and the 21 by 90 formula. If you want a positive attitude or positive thinking, so first make up your mind about that. Learn to find joy in simple things. Make the best of your circumstances. Not everyone has everything, but everyone has some miseries, which is mixed with the happiness in our life. The solution is to make laughter more than tears. Never try to avoid risk in our life. Do not think that someone will save you from your misfortune, because it is not going to happen, and you will be very sad when you know this, because future is always uncertain. When God cannot keep everyone happy, so how can you make everyone happy? Do not let criticism dominate you. Do not let your close friend or conventional wisdom decide for you. Be yourself. It will work better in the long run. Do things that you enjoy doing. Do not invite trouble, because fantasy is often tougher than reality. Stevenson said, haters poison the soul. So do not be jealous of others and do not hold a grudge. Stay away from those people who make you sad. You have a lot to do. Do not regret what you want to do and what you did not do. Do not do a postmortem. Do not spend your life thinking about sorrow and mistake. Do not be the one who never know how to recover from things. Stop and think about the people in your life who have been your past or who may be with you now. Consider their attitude, whether it's positive or negative, and whether you want to be like them. And if negativity and malice come from them, then leave them. Do what you can do for those less fortunate than you, and above all, be busy with something or several things. A busy person never have time to be sad. When you reach that point in life, whether you are filled with many self-doubt to move forward, so remember, life is a journey. not a destination. We are always in a process of arriving at conclusion because we always have the fear of changes. We are battling between failure and success. Yes, there is no doubt that we will face some problem in the way of success, and we all also have some discussion. So adjustment were always needed. First time experience are often risky. You should adjust the new circumstances. You may have to adjust to different people. You have to decide how much emotion you should show, especially at work. You have worry about whether an old habit of yours persists, and if so, how to get out of it. To face new experiences, a positive self-image and a positive attitude are invaluable. There is powerful evidences of how self-image affects outcome. The way you view yourself affects your attitude, which in turn affect your action, that determine your achievements. Then lie the key to gain confidence, earning respect, and developing positive changes with better result. Interpreting your word and maintaining a good self-image. Most of us are not able to because of this. We do not nothing to maintain it. Our problem is that instead of acting on it, we either flow with its waves or it just react and sit silently. So if you want to fix it, so think of it like planting a crop. If we want a better crop of self-worth, confidence and opportunity, so we have to change and regain our control over what can be done. And those who cannot do it will not have to worry. Just like a farmer who sows his crop without worrying much about the weather. Our lives are worth more than wasting time and energy blaming others, indulging in self-pity, seeking revenge, or focusing on past mistakes. We have to understand our doubts and apprehension, but change does not come from analyzing one. For this, it is also necessary to take action. It is never easy. It requires determination and discipline. So in life, it is better to keep moving forward and keep forwarding the positive changes in your values, because locking yourself in one place is not the solution to any issues. Do not keep living life on the old pattern, because if kept, even iron gets rusted. So it is better, why not to test yourself on some new criterion every day. There is no doubt about it. Sometime you will get failure and sometime you will get success. But it is guaranteed that it will teach us something or the others. So a positive attitude determines your failure and success. Thank you and best of luck.